Whether you store your motorhome indoors or outdoors, properly preparing your vehicle for storage is critical. Here are some general tips to follow, but also be sure to read your owner's manual for more specific instructions. Thoroughly wash your motorhome. Remove the battery and keep it on a charger at home. Top off your fluids with fresh oil, antifreeze, brake fluid, radiator fluid, and windshield wiper fluid. Disconnect your propane tank and pipes. Clean the interior of your RV, including removing perishables. Block the exhaust and other entrances to protect against rodents and pests. Make sure to close and seal any roof vents, especially if storing uncovered outdoors. And protect your RV with a quality breathable cover. A month or so before winter, you'll also want to winterize your motorhome. Again, refer to the owner's manual, but here are some general steps to follow. Perform a deep clean of the vehicle. Clean and defrost appliances. Visit your nearest RV dump station and drain your tanks and pipes. Blow out all water lines. Add RV antifreeze. Remove and store your battery. Change your oil. Inspect the roof for any leaks. Check doors and windows and recaulk where needed. Look for places where you need to pest-proof your motorhome. Wash and wax the exterior. And fill up with a fresh tank of gas. We also recommend you put your vehicle's wheels on blocks. For more information, visit extraspace.com or call us at 888-STORAGE.